Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Upgrade your workshop with versatile cordless solutions designed for efficiency, portability, and consistent performance across drilling, cutting, and fastening tasks. Best Power Tool Combo Kits Cordless deliver tools, shared batteries, and smart charging systems that keep projects moving without downtime. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20-Volt Cordless Power Tool. The DEWALT 20-Volt Cordless Power Tool Combo Kit stands out as a reliable and versatile solution for both DIY enthusiasts and semi-professional users who demand consistent performance. This kit includes a powerful 1/2-inch drill driver delivering 300 UWO, making it suitable for a wide range of drilling and fastening tasks. The included 1/4-inch impact driver enhances efficiency with its 3 LED lights, which feature a 20-second delay, ensuring shadow-free visibility in darker workspaces. The reciprocating saw is designed with a keyless blade clamp, allowing for quick and safe blade changes without direct contact, which is a thoughtful safety feature. The circular saw, equipped with a 6.5-inch carbide blade, is capable of making precise angled cuts, even slicing through 2x4 lumber in a single pass. Additionally, the oscillating tool supports fast accessory changes without the need for extra tools, improving workflow efficiency.
Number 2. TEENO Brushless Cordless Power Tool. The TEENO Brushless Cordless Power Tool Kit offers an innovative approach to multifunctionality by combining 6 essential tools into a single interchangeable system. Designed for convenience, this 6-in-1 combo eliminates the need to purchase individual tools, making it a cost-effective option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Its brushless motor technology is a major highlight, providing up to 50% longer runtime and improved torque compared to traditional brushed motors. This ensures efficient performance even during demanding tasks like woodworking or cutting. The kit includes attachments such as a drill driver, impact wrench, oscillating tool, mini chainsaw, reciprocating saw, and detail sander, making it highly versatile. One standout feature is the 3.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, which not only delivers extended usage, but also doubles as a portable power bank via the included USB adapter, an excellent addition for modern users. The quick change system allows users to switch between attachments effortlessly without requiring extra tools, saving time and effort.
Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BD4 Kit Cordless Power Tool. The BLACK+DECKER BD4 Kit Cordless Power Tool Set is a practical and user-friendly option tailored for beginners and casual DIY users. It features a 3/8-inch drill driver with variable speeds ranging from 0 to 650 RPM, making it suitable for light-duty tasks such as assembling furniture or basic home repairs. The 11-position clutch helps for this overdriving screws and protects work materials, which is particularly helpful for less experienced users. The circular saw in this kit is compact and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during operation, and its 5.5-inch blade is capable of cutting standard lumber efficiently. The tool-free adjustments for depth and bevel allow for quick setup, enhancing convenience. The included work light is another useful addition, offering up to 11 hours of runtime, which is ideal for extended projects or low-light environments. With 2 batteries included, users can enjoy longer working sessions without frequent interruptions. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN CMCK Cordless Power Tool. The CRAFTSMAN CMCK Cordless Power Tool Combo Kit is a comprehensive 7-tool package designed to handle a wide range of demanding tasks. Powered by the V20 lithium-ion system, it provides consistent performance across all included tools. The 1/2-inch drill delivers 280 UWO of power and features a 2-speed gearbox, allowing users to switch between precision and high-power applications. The impact driver is equally impressive, offering 1,460 inch-pounds of torque, making it suitable for heavy-duty fastening tasks. The reciprocating saw operates with a 1-inch stroke length and 3,000 SPM, ensuring fast and efficient cutting, while the tool-free blade release adds convenience. The circular saw runs at 4,200 RPM and is capable of cutting through 2x materials with ease, making it ideal for construction projects. The oscillating tool offers variable speeds between 8,000 and 18,000 OPM, providing excellent control for detailed work.
This kit also includes batteries, a charger, and essential accessories, ensuring users have everything they need right out of the box.
Number 5. DEWALT DCK661 Cordless Power Tool. The DEWALT DCK661 Cordless Power Tool Kit is a premium 6-tool combo designed for users who require high performance and durability in demanding work environments. Each tool in this set is engineered with precision and efficiency in mind. The DCD771 drill driver features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to use in tight spaces, while still delivering 300 UWO of power. The DCS885 impact driver offers a similarly compact build, ensuring accessibility without sacrificing performance. The reciprocating saw includes a keyless blade clamp for quick and safe blade changes, enhancing productivity. The circular saw is equipped with a 6.5-inch blade, capable of cutting through 2x4 materials at a 45-degree angle, making it ideal for framing and carpentry work. The grinder delivers up to 8,000 RPM, providing strong cutting and grinding capabilities. Choosing the right combo kit means balancing power, battery life, and tool selection for your projects. Focus on trusted performance and long-term value. With the right cordless setup, you'll handle repairs, builds, and upgrades efficiently, saving time while keeping your workflow smooth, flexible, and consistently productive every day.